Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home.
Today we have something a little bit different. This lighter and the work that was done on it was a gift from Zippo Fanatic 77 Outdoors, delivered yesterday via Zippo Daily Fix. I want to thank both of you gentlemen. It has a theme that we are very familiar with here on this channel, and something that I would like to explore a little further.
Cannabis leaf or other marijuana themed Zippos are something that I keep an eye out for. Not just Zippos, but any lighter really. I consider that I have a collection of them, and if you see in the background there with the etched green cannabis leaf and the Semper High lighter, those are both Zippos. So obviously this one can fit right nicely into that theme of my collection. So while they may not be overtly 420 or centered around one slogan or just the leaf of the plant in general, here you see the ZF77 logo and the crown. It's pretty cool. Most people that do a custom are going to leave some kind of mark on that lighter letting you know who did it. I've noticed that in the Facebook groups. I did not date this lighter. I'm sure someone will point that out down in the comments what year it is. I believe it was sometime in the late 90s. I popped a pipe insert into it when I got it, fueled it up, and obviously it has a rather large flame at the moment. You have the marijuana leaves etched around the spine of the lighter. As I said, the ZF77 logo, and then the image of the woman, who fortunately has long hair and a well-placed cannabis leaf, and the initials DF. I think it was over a year ago, Zippo Fanatic 77 Outdoors, who at that time was just Zippo Fanatic 77, he and I had been conversing. I had posted some lighters on the dependableflame.com Facebook page that I was interested in trading. I can't remember, it was somewhere around 9 or a dozen various old Zippos that all had problems of their own. And at that point, I'd never sent anything back to the repair clinic. There were actually a couple of pretty nice lighters in there that just had hinge problems and things like that. And I don't know for sure if this is one of those, if this was part of that group or not. And I don't remember seeing a video on the etching process or how he did it. I'm kind of curious now that I look at it. With this Zippo, it's obviously etched out of the paint, and you see the brass behind it. And I'm sure it was chemically done somehow, just peeling off the chrome plated on the brass, but I'm not sure of the method that he used or anything like that. Maybe it wasn't a chemical, maybe it was a machine. I really have no idea. So I must plead ignorance on that fact, but it's a really cool lighter, personalized and customized by Zippo Fanatic 77 Outdoors. As I was saying before, I don't know if this was one of the lighters that I originally sent to him, but that was back at the beginning, sort of at the beginning of our relationship here on YouTube. He had gotten a hold of me, given me some compliments, some tips, some pointers by email, about how I could make some improvements to the channel, and it really did help. It really gave a boost to what I was trying to do. And so I was sending him these lighters as a thank you for that, and now he has sent this lighter back as a thank you for what we had done back then. So I'll have to look up. It's kind of hard to know whether to recommend people watch those other videos. I don't know if he's going to be able to get the revenue that comes off those original Zippo Fanatic 77 videos, or if that is just gone and all that is going into somebody else's pocket at this point. But maybe he'll do another video of the process if there's not one up there already. It's a very cool effect that is made on the metal, and it'll also be interesting to see as I use it what kind of tarnish develops and how that looks. I'm not one for a dirty looking lighter, but you know, a little bit of tarnish, as long as it's not that green oxidized bathroom urine stall look, then we'll probably be all right. That looks really cool though, with the logo along the front spine. This lighter does have some flaws, some dings, dents, the hinge is loose, so this will give us an opportunity to have some different projects that we wouldn't normally do on a Zippo, because normally I'm just trying to keep them in as good a condition as they're in and move them on, but this is one that I will never be selling. So we might as well see if we can address some of those flaws that it may have and have some fun with it in the meantime. I'd be interested to see any of those custom, especially cannabis or marijuana themed custom Zippos that you guys have. You can post pictures of those over on the Facebook group. You can also send pictures via the message function on eBay. And of course, you can leave a comment over on the dependableflame.com website at any time.
So again, Zippo Fanatic 77 Outdoors, thank you, and Zippo Daily Fix for facilitating the delivery. Thank you very much. I appreciated it and enjoyed all that was included therein. Until next time.